Hey there everyone, welcome back, and today we will talk about how to get high grades in school. So, first of all, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. So, let's proceed to our topic. But disclaimer guys that this is all just my personal opinion and it's the one that I use to get high grades in school. But I suggest you try my tips because it helped me greatly increase my grades in school. So, number one is try expanding your vocabulary skills. Because if your vocabulary is huge, you will have an advantage when it comes to reading and analyzing situations. Also, this comes in handy when the question requires common sense. So, yeah, I suggest trying this one. Try to find some unfamiliar words in the internet and search for their meanings. Number two is try to research a lot. Now, when I say research, it means that reading some random information may come in handy in some situations because you never know when you will use it. Some examples are computers, cars, or anything that is related to technologies. I suggest to try to research a lot about this because it will give you a wide variety about technologies. Number three is ask your elders about their past experiences. Simply because they faced more hardships in life than us. They have more knowledge and experiences about what to do in the hard situations. Now, the last step is be diligent. Now, I know a lot of you know about this, but you cannot do all the steps I mentioned if you're lazy. Try to discipline yourself whenever you feel lazy about something, or whenever you have schoolworks but you seem to have no interest in doing it. My idea of disciplining myself is I overthink a lot about the outcomes if I don't study hard. Like, for example, I didn't study last night, so my consequences is I will have a lower grade than my expectations. So that is it all in this video. I hope you learned something new about this, and if you think this is effective, subscribe now and hit that like button, and thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of the videos about explosion, and yeah, I beat the Ender Dragon here. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe now or you'll get a low grades.